Bonjour et bienvenue à Krishang French Learning. Hello and welcome to Krishang French Learning. Welcome to yet another video covering body parts. Before watching the video, I would recommend you to go to first part of my video which explain le visage, the face. Please click the link below to check the previous video. So let's begin. La partie du corps, which means body part. The neck. We say the neck in French as la queue. La queue. Next, the chest. We say the chest in French as la poitrine. La poitrine. Next, shoulders. We say the shoulders in French as les épaules. Les épaules. Next, the back. We say the back in French as les dos. Les dos. Next, the hip. We say the hips in French as les hanches. Les hanches. Next, the stomach or the tummy. We say the stomach in French as le estomac or le ventre. Next, the arm. We say the arm in French as le bras. Le bras. Next, the elbow. We say the elbow in French as la coude. La coude. Next, the hands. We say the hands in French as les mains. Les mains. Next, the finger. We say the finger in French as les doigts. Les doigts. Next, the thigh. We say the thigh in French as la cuisse. La cuisse. And we say the thighs in French as les cuisses. Les cuisses. Next, the leg. We say the leg in French as la jambe. La jambe. And we say the legs in French as les jambes. Les jambes. Next, the knee. We say the knee in French as le genou. Le genou. And we say the knees in French as le genou avec X. Le genou avec S. Next, the foot. We say the foot in French as le pied. Le pied. Next, we say the toes in French as les orteils. Les orteils. Next, the thumb. We say the thumb in French as le pouce. Le pouce. And we say the thumb in French as le pouce. Le pouce avec S. Next, the ankle. We say the ankle in French as la cheville. La cheville. Next, we say the fingernail in French as le ongle. Le ongle. I hope you enjoyed my video. In my next video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.